Hi, the Esti here for another product review from my bathroom. So today we're going to talk about the Mint Lip Hydrator, which is a brand new lip treatment from SkinScript. And so it features shea butter and mint. And so shea butter, as we know, is super hydrating for the skin, for the lips, really for anything. And mint is very refreshing. It also has like a cooling feeling to the lips, which can help if your lips are feeling really dry, but cannot help if they are in any way cracked. So a few little pointers about this guy. The first being, it's very liquidy. So if you think this is gonna come out like a lipstick or lip balm would, it's not. It's very, like, you can't even see, it's just liquid. It's very, very, very liquidy. So be careful when you are applying this. Don't squeeze as you're opening it because you will get a lot of liquid coming out. The other thing is, if your lips are cracked or you have any kind of peeling going on, you're going to want to address that first. So I would definitely maybe get a little lip scrub in with some sugar and honey, scrub your lips, get that done, and then use the Mint Lip Hydrator. I really like it, but first I did definitely exfoliate my lips. So that would be my next tip. So tip number one, it's super runny, so just know that it's very liquidy, so don't squeeze it. And tip number two is to definitely give your lips a good scrub before you start using this guy. So other than that, I would probably give it an 8 out of 10 because I was really surprised by the liquidiness and I lost a bit of my product, and I hate losing product. But overall, I really love it. You can get it on my website, so go visit that and take care of your lips and be good to them.